Nobody said it was going to be easy.
If it was easy, everyone would be doing
Greatness is not a goal, it's a lifestyle.
it. Accomplishing your goals are only steps to constant success.